2011 Chevrolet Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, Bluetooth, automatic transmission, cruise control, fog lamps, compass, power windows, trip computer, remote power door locks, heated driver's seat, airbags, leather seats, tachometer, heated passenger seat, tilt steering wheel, rear wiper, power heated outside mirrors, driver memory seats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.